letter through Ms. Persifield. Yeah, I think y'all, or maybe y'all on it. Yeah, the letter from Ms. Merchant, from Natalie Merchant. Natalie Merchant. Ashley Merchant, and the defendants don't even know who that is because that was so long ago. But anyway, so she has some issues she needs to have, I guess, the state sort out, and we might as well just all sort it out here together. One of them is she's really not going to be available past, the 15th of November, and had apparently been told, and I guess we had, or the state had Mr. Arnold on the witness list for today, but she got told, I guess, by one of the investigators from the DA's office that it actually wasn't going to be today. It was going to be not for several weeks. And she just kind of, I think, is saying, could you actually give me a somewhat solid date on when he's going to be called? Are y'all able to do that? I mean, it doesn't have to be like, by the day, but,
Your Honor, so prior to getting this letter, we thought that it would be maybe that week of Thanksgiving. However, given the letter, I think some of her
it cannot be the week of Thanksgiving. She is not available, which means he is not available after the 15th of November.
So that's why we need to look.
Did you already know that?
No, I don't think we knew about what she put in this letter. We had some dates, I believe, up until October, like these last few weeks, nothing in November. I don't feel, and I haven't been the one primarily speaking with her, but my understanding is we knew dates up until the end of October, nothing until November, until this letter.
Well,
so
we
now
know that if y'all don't have him testify before November 15th, it's not really going to happen.
Okay, so now that we know that, we can, if you give us a tomorrow, I think we can decide what.
All right, and then with regard to, I don't know if y'all read it yet, but she's wanting to be fairly clear that if the state intends to ask him anything other than the wording on his guilty plea, there's going to need to be a immunity order.
Yes, Your Honor, she made us aware.
Don't want to talk about this when the jury room door is open. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, she didn't make us aware of that, and so that is a part of our consideration if we decide to ask anything
let's
outside.
get that all wrapped up well in advance, because it sounds like she's going to probably want to come in here maybe with Mr. Arnold, maybe without, I don't know, but get sort of, I don't know, some kind of, you'll see if you can nail it down without the court's input and just present me with an order, but if not, then I don't want to wait until the last minute. And I would, she has asked for at least a week's notice, which I don't think is unreasonable.
Yes, and we plan on doing that.
Okay. All right. Well, and Mr. Nichols is still here, so you got to hear all of that too. So